Hi friends, I'm Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITBut143. You are watching Google Classroom tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to create assignments with the help of Google Slides in Google Classroom. Suppose if you want to give an assignment to your students to prepare a presentation individually with the help of Google Slides for a specific topic. In Google Classroom, we can do it very easily. Open the class, come to Classwork tab. Click on create. From the drop down menu, please select to assignment. Then it will open a blank assignment. Enter a title for this assignment, and in the description enter the text you want. Next click on create. From the options, please select to slides. Then it will open a blank presentation in Google Slides. Here I will prepare a layout which the students can customize and build the presentation using various options showing in Google Slides. Here I want to add a title, and if you want we can also format this. Here I will add the field for student name, and I want to add a background for this. Come to slide, select to change background, choose a background color, and click on done. After that, to add the next slide, click on plus sign. Here I will add objective. Next slide, symptoms. Like this we can insert any number of slides. Next we can close this, but don't be panic. Automatically the modification will be saved in the presentation showing here. And in right side to this presentation we will get some options. When we click on the arrow, by default students can only view this presentation, but if you want your students work on this file, select students can edit the file. But one important thing, that whomever we assigned this, all the students work together, so there may be overwriting each other's work. If you are okay with this, we can select this option. Otherwise we can select the third option, make a copy for each student, so that each student will get a copy of this file to work on that, and no chance of overwrite others work. And in right side we can select the class and the students to work on this. I will select all the students, set the points for this. I want to give 100 points, and select the due date and time, and select the topic which this belongs to. And finally we need to click on assign to post this. If we want we can also schedule this. Click on the arrow, select to schedule, enter the date and time to post it in the future. Click on assign. Assignment created successfully. Under Windows we got the assignment. Click on it to open the assignment. It is assigned to 3 students. In handwriting it is showing 0. That means no student attempt this yet. Next I want to see how it looks like from student side. Open the class. In stream they can find the new assignment given to them. Also they can find this in Classwork tab. Under Windows topic, click on it to open this and select to view assignment. Here it is showing the description. Please create a presentation using the Google Slides template added here, and due date and time. Notice that we have our name in front of the presentation because we got a copy of this presentation. To work on this file, simply click on it. Then we will come into our own presentation file, and now we can modify this whatever we want. And if you want we can also delete the slides and insert a new slide with a different layout. After completing the work, no need to save it manually. Simply close the file and the changes will be saved automatically. Again, to work on that file, open it, and the changes we made still with the presentation only. And finally, to submit this we need to click on turn in. One attachment will be submitted for assignment 1. And here we forgot one thing, and if we want we can also add class comments, private comments before submitting this presentation. Again, come to the teacher side. Now in handwriting it is showing 1. That means one student submitted the work. Click on it to view the student name. Nageshwar submitted this, And to check the work, click on the presentation and we can verify the student work. After verifying the work, if you want, we can add private comments and marks to them and click on return to send this to the student. Student will be notified and can check any marks you have left. Again, come to the student side and here it is showing the marks given by the teacher and the private comments if any. Like this, we can create assignments with the help of Google Slides in Google Classroom. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and share this video with your friends. ITBird143 to watch more latest uploaded videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.